Hi, this is Debbie from Project 39 and I have a mini album share. I want to show you what I made with this paper. This was Recollections from Michael's, probably from 2017 or 2018. I also used some, these are Tim Holtz metal spiders. I used alcohol ink on those two. The camera is not doing it justice. And there's one there that I did not put alcohol ink. I think I cut that out. And of course the flowers I added a little bit of paint to just to add some dimension to it. Move the lights and I'll show you inside. This is held together with a magnet closure. This is a metal corner that I actually used nail polish on because I had nail polish this color. So it added a nice touch to that. All right, let's open it up and see. There's a lot inside this mini album. This is held together with a magnet and this opens up here. So there's a couple of photo mats inside. And they go inside that little pocket. The pocket's a little expanded just so you can fit everything in. Again, some flowers, some metal pieces that I had in my stash. I'm going to zoom out so you can see because this opens up pretty wide. So this opens like that, and that opens like this. And then this swing tab, and then this opens further. I love this flowers. Isn't that a great page? And you can get a lot of photos in here. The original design was from Kona Raven. She had a YouTube channel and sold tutorials. So this was one of her designs. This swing tab goes like that. This opens like that. So again, you can get a lot of, and then this whole thing opens up. You can get a lot in here. Got a piece of black paper, just trying to create a nice little look. I just had opened this up. So these two sides replicate each other. This is a swing tab. These swing tabs I purchased from Michael's and I used alcohol ink on them. So this will open up like that, and that opens like that. And the same thing for this side. Oops. And this goes further. And again, there is the pocket. I'm sorry, there's a hidden photo mat is what I meant. Another swing tab. I thought this back paper was very cool. And that goes like that. This bat metal embellishment was from Tim Holtz 2018. I don't know if it came out in 2019, but it is a very cool bat and it fits nicely on the top of this pocket flap. There's some metal embellishments there. I'm not sure where they came from. Think of how many pictures you can get just in this section. If you went to a cool Halloween party, or if you wanted to give a hostess gift, this would be a great gift for that. And this opens like that, and that. This little corner pocket has a little tag in it, or you could tuck a photo in that corner. And this is the back page. Now this spider web actually is open, so you could put a picture, let's say the picture was the correct orientation, you could put a picture inside there and have the spider web on top of it. I thought that would be fun. And there we go. So that is my Frightful mini album. Hope you like my project share. Thanks for watching.